this video, I'm going to find a perpendicular line from an implicit equation. And an implicit equation is any equation where x and y are mixed together on the same side, rather than y being isolated on its own. The question reads, find the equation of the line perpendicular to 5x minus 2y plus 3 equals 0 that passes through the point 4, negative 1. Give the answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are integers. The first step is to rearrange into y equals mx plus c. The line is written in implicit form, so I can't get the gradient off it directly yet. So I'm going to rearrange to make y the subject. So the gradient of the line is 5 over 2. Next I'm going to find the perpendicular gradient. The fact I'm going to use is, if two lines are perpendicular, their gradients multiply to give negative 1. This means the perpendicular gradient is always negative 1 divided by the original gradient. So the perpendicular gradient is negative 1 divided by 5 over 2. And this simplifies to negative 2 over 5. Thirdly, I'm going to find the equation using the coordinate point given in the question. We know that the perpendicular gradient is negative 2 over 5, and the coordinate point given is 4, negative 1. So I'm going to substitute those values into y equals mx plus c to find the constant c. Rearranging this gives the value of c as 3 over 5. Substituting 3 over 5 back into the straight line equation, y equals mx plus c gives y equals negative 2 over 5x plus 3 over 5. We could stop here since we find the perpendicular line equation. However, since the question asks for a particular integer form, I'm going to rearrange this. I'm going to multiply every term by 5 and then rearrange to get the final answer as 2x plus 5y minus 3 equals 0.